know where the dogs are?
They're already in the back home. Look at you. There you go. Look at you guys. Yeah, you stay there. There you go. He's in the culprit. There you go.
That's of the owner's dogs, or?
I believe so. I'm not really positive. I don't have the information.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. These guys are going home right now.
Your name and how you spell it, where you're from?
Linda Wilson from Pocasset.
And what did you see happen here today, Linda?
I was on my deck and I heard somebody yelling for help. So my friend and I, Darlene, were going to get ready for the gym. We heard her yelling for help. I called 911. Darlene grabbed the shovel and ran down to pull her out.
And what did you see? Was she in the water, fell through the ice?
Darlene was the one that saw her. She was in the water.
And how did she look? She seemed okay? Was she in the water a while? Or?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm all
And
set.
how about were there two dogs as well?
There
Or?
were two dogs, Grace and Wendy.
And they seem to be okay from what I could
They're
see.
fine. Yep.
Very
Yep.
good. Thank you.
Okay.
And I know how you spell it, but if you don't mind just saying how you spell your name, position.
Oh,
and,
okay. My name is Paul Weeks. I'm a deputy fire chief for the Bourne Fire Department.
Great. And what did you have happen here today?
We had a woman probably in her late 40s. She had two dogs. Both dogs ran into the water and fell through the ice. She went into the water after the dogs to try to get them out. It became hypothermic and couldn't extricate herself. So she was calling out, and some of the neighbors were able to hear at the homes nearby. They came out and they extricated her from the water. The dogs were still in the water when we arrived, and we had an ambulance crew that took her to the hospital, Falmouth Hospital, a high priority too, because of the hypothermia. And my other crew rescued the two dogs.
Do you have an idea of how long she may have been in the water for?
I don't have that specific right now. I'd have to look at the times.
Okay. And do you have any comments to the public about safety as far as ice or walking on ice this time of year?
No ice is safe. Stay off the ice. Unless it's at the ice rink or an outdoor ice rink, it's not worth the risk.
Where it happened, pretty much?
You want me to show you where it happened?
Yeah, is it far down?
It's kind of a long haul down.
Is it really?
I did make arrows along the pathway to show you the